Hey my beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing well. As you can see in today's video, I am making cabbage soup. I'm super excited. In Liberia, we usually have this on a Sunday. Keep watching and I will show you step by step how to make this delicious meal. Let's get started right now. In here, I have clean fish and chicken. Feel free to use any kind of meat you have. I am also adding some seasoning before frying them. I usually fry the fish first before frying the chicken. While the fish is frying, I have smoked turkey in here and shrimp. I already blended the peppers, onion, and garlic. I am adding some seasoning on the smoked turkey and shrimp before adding half of the blended mixture. I am also adding some water. I will let this cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. I will remove the shrimp after 5 minutes and set it aside. The cabbage is already clean and cut and ready to go. Back to the fish and chicken. I am removing the fish. Next, I will add the chicken, let it fry till it's golden brown. I removed some of the oil before adding the cabbage. I will also add some seasoning and the rest of the blended mixture. I will let this cook for about 10 minutes. I added some tomato paste. You can add 1 tablespoon. I added a little more because free will made me do it. After adding the tomato paste, I am adding the smoked turkey and the liquid. I am adjusting the seasoning. I will let this cook till most of the liquid has been evaporated. I have this recipe in my cookbook on Amazon, 20 Best Liberian Recipes. I added the fish, chicken, and shrimp. I turned the stove on low and I will let this cook for about 5 more minutes. I had this with some rice. It was exactly what I wanted. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye.